In this video, I am going to explain how to construct cycloid using the geometric construction. So, first of all, what is meant by the cycloid? The cycloid is the curve traced by a point on a circle as it rolls along a straight line without slipping. Okay, let me explain this one. Okay, let's take the straight line like this. Let's take the circle like this. Let's place this circle like this. Here, you can see. If it rolls along this straight line without slipping, let's see what is the curve traced by this point. You can see the point. Okay. Okay, this curve is called cycloid. Then let's see how to construct this cycloid using the geometric construction. In this video, I am going to explain that one. Construction of cycloid, I am going to explain using this example. Construct a cycloid for a circle having the diameter 76 millimeter. Okay, first of all, I am going to draw the circle. Like this. Then draw the vertical and horizontal lines. Horizontal line. Then let's draw the horizontal line where the circle rolls over the horizontal line. Then let's mark the circumference length along this straight line. The circumference length for the 238.76 millimeter. Okay. The next step, we want to divide this line into a 12 equal segments. Draw an inclined line like this. Then mark the 12 equal segment along this line. Okay, I am using the compass to mark these equal segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Then let's join these 2 points. Then I am going to draw the parallel line to this line, passing through these points using the 2 set squares. Okay, then let's mark this point as let's take this is the point P. When the circle rolls over this straight line, we are going to observe the path of a point P. Let's take this is 12. Let's mark this point as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and the 12. Okay, then this circle also I am going to divide into 12 equal segments. I am going to use the protractor to divide this circle into 12 equal segments. Okay, let's mark this point as point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 10, 11, and the 12. Okay, then next step, you have to draw the horizontal line passing through these points like this. Then next step, you are going to draw the vertical line from this 1, 2, 3 and up to 12 points. So let's draw the vertical line passing through this point. Okay, let's highlight the, let's draw the line passing through the center as well. Okay, then let's mark these intersection points. Let's mark this point as C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, center point 6, center point 7, center point 8, center point 9, center point 10, center point 11, center point 12. This is 0. Okay, then let's mark the points. Take the compass and take the length radius to the compass. Okay, so then by taking the center point as C1 like this, then mark this point. Then let's take the C2 as the center point. Let's mark this point. Then taking the center point as C3, mark this point. C4, mark this point. C5, mark this point. Then the C6, leave the point. C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, C12. Mark these intersection points. Okay, let's join these points. Okay, this is how we are constructing cycloid of a circle. I think you all got a clear idea how to construct this cycloid of a circle. Okay, thank you. See you next time.